I picked the biomedical engineering program just because of how many unique opportunities there are after graduation. Like you can go into research or you can stay in school.
So I wanted a degree program that could incorporate that math and physics that I really enjoyed with a career in human and health sciences.
I would say the biggest opportunity that the college and department has provided for me as a biomedical engineering student is probably research opportunities. Being able to get hands-on lab experience is really important for this degree.
They've been pretty cool so far, getting to use all the fancy equipment and whatnot.
Everyone at K-State wanted to help you and make you feel more comfortable. So whether that be your professors helping you with your homework or your classmates lending you notes, the faculty, the staff, and your peers all want to see you succeed.